Cassie here. So I've been getting a lot of questions from you guys asking how to properly clean a yoga mat. So I thought it is time to make an official YouTube video about this. So perfect timing too, because we just released 4 brand new vegan suede yoga mats. And look at them, they're so pretty and they're so colorful. And I'll be doing a giveaway at the end of this video, so make sure you watch till the very end to figure out how to win one of these beauties. All right, so first question. Because this is vegan suede and it's soft and it feels like it's gonna absorb a lot of sweat, how can you properly clean a mat so it doesn't feel like you are working out on a dirty gym sock every day? Well, you guys, I have a DIY recipe for you. It's all natural and it's super calming. So you're gonna love how your mat smells and you're just gonna wanna hang out on your mat all the time. So what you're gonna need to clean your mat of all the sweatiness is 2-ounce spray bottle. It's filled with 3/4 water, okay? So that's the first thing you need. Then you get to decide how you wanna make it smell. So I have 2 essential oils right here. One is tea tree oil, which is an antifungal type of oil, and it also helps treat athlete's foot, so that's really good. And then over here, I have some lavender, which is super calming and is also antibacterial. So all you're gonna do is twist open, and I'm gonna put in some tea tree oil. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. Twist that back on, shake it up. This is what you're gonna do, okay? So you're just gonna spritz all over. It's like a DIY mat perfume. So let me smell this. Oh yes, that is good. And then you're gonna grab a dry towel, all right? And simply just wipe it. Wipe it just like that. I'm just smelling it. Okay. Oh. Smells so good. My mat smells like a spa right now. So that is what you guys are gonna wanna do after every use of your yoga mat. All right, so second scenario. Say you're doing pit and your shoes are really dirty. What do? This makes my heart break. But don't you worry, because we've got solutions. Okay, so let's see what disaster we've created. Oh my gosh, look at this. Every time I see dirt on my suede yoga mat, I die. I die a little bit. But you guys, no fear, because it does have that microfiber, that mini microfiber on top, you really can just rub it off. Look at this. Take a towel. Boom! Oh my gosh, it's like a magic eraser. You guys, you can wear your shoes on your mat, and notice how this is a light mint color, and it's gone. All the dirt came right here on the towel. Amazing. Kinda have always wanted to do this. You know those infomercials where it's super dramatic?
Pet stains, food stains, they get down into the matting, into the padding.
We're gonna do that today, except we're gonna be using blue Gatorade, and I'm gonna spill it on my boho bliss mat. So this is for you guys to prove to you that this actually works. I'm going to grab some detergent, grab some water. So you're gonna have 1 cup of water to 1 teaspoon of detergent, and you're gonna have this fancy solution right here, all right? Now, we do the spill. I'm scared. Okay, here we go, you guys. I feel like this is mat suicide. And no! Now there is a growing blob of blue Gatorade all over my mat. Take a dry towel immediately, dab it down, dab it down. Remove the excess liquids before you have a permanent blue stain on your mat. Oh my God. Second towel, right here, you guys. You're going to dab some of it into your detergent solution. Now, you simply wipe it. I've lifted the stain. Look at that. It's gone. It is gone, and look at that. You guys, it came off. And there's something I really want you to see here. As you can see on this towel, I have not lifted off any color from the mat. All the color that was lifted was in that first towel, which lifted off that blue Gatorade. That is how you clean your yoga mat. And I am so excited for you guys to try our vegan suede yoga mats, because this is one of my most favorite things that we've ever designed. Look, we've been designing yoga mats since, I don't know how long, 5-6 years ago or something, starting with those neoprene mats with the classic train like a beast, look like a beauty right on top in a silk screen. Then we graduated to thicker mats with the full-on color. But what ended up happening was you guys were slipping, the color started rubbing off, and I was like, how are we going to make a product that is not only color fast, it's lightweight, it's made of good materials, and it's cushy. And it took us a while to develop this, but you guys, this vegan suede yoga mat is everything, and I want you to have one. So I am doing a giveaway right now for you guys, and all you have to do is comment below and let me know which one of these yoga mats you would like in your practice. So comment below either Boho Bliss, which is this Urban Outfitters, Anthro, Free People type feel, okay, if you're that type of person. We've also got Starry Night, which is for our outdoorsy, cosmic galaxy people. Modern Jungle, which is so fun. It reminds me of like 60s Palm Springs. Flourishing Foliage, which is basically like Nymph Goddess Central. So comment below which mat you want, and I will be picking a winner 1 week from today randomly. You can be from any country, be of any age, and also make sure you guys are subscribed and also like this video. Thank you so much, you guys, for joining me in this mat cleaning experience, and I will see you next time. Good luck. Bye.